Hello, little scientists! Do you think water can walk? Let's find out together. How? We only need 3 cups, water, food colors, and 2 paper towels. Easy! Let's make 1 cup red, 1 cup blue, and leave the middle cup empty. Wow! Look! The water is climbing. It's walking through the paper towel. Wow! Look! Red and blue are mixing. Look at it go! Purple! Science is amazing! The tiny spaces inside the paper towel pull the water upward. Can you try this with an adult? What happens if you use red and yellow? Yellow and blue? You're an amazing little scientist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for another fun science adventure. Bye!